Hey everyone, John Deere here from John Deere's Embroidery Legacy, and today I'm going to show you how a $20 purchase can change the way you digitize. Now this was probably one of the best little $20 finds that I've ever seen, and I wish I could take credit for it, but it was actually at one of our Digitizers Dream workshops. One of the attendees was there and showed me this cool little tool. Now keep in mind, whenever we do a workshop, I always ask that people bring an external mouse with them. The reason why is if you try to digitize on your little touch, tablet thing on your laptop, it can be pretty frustrating and you can waste time and you lose accuracy. So having one of these is definitely a step up. Normally, I like to digitize with PC pen tablet technology. This allows me to literally draw on my screen, and it's one of the fastest ways to go, but it can be a little more expensive. This $20 find is actually a pocket mouse. The pocket mouse is actually a regular mouse. You can literally draw on your mouse pad, but it does have a left and a right click, and it gives you that beautiful fluid motion that you have with a pen. It's not like trying to do fine art and draw with a brick in your hand. You actually get more accuracy and speed. Now this is built for a right-handed person, and I'm a lefty, but what I found is if I use this mouse in one hand and I literally have my mouse on the other side, I can move along, choose my digitizing tool that I want to digitize with, and I can actually move with my pocket mouse, and I can click with my other mouse and do my either straight or curved nodes. It's very fast, it's very accurate, and it's a lot of fun. So you'll want to go out and grab one of these. It's the best $20 purchase you'll ever make for actually digitizing your embroidery designs. Hi everyone, John Deere here, and thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Also, to become part of the legacy, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time we release a new weekly video. So join the legacy now. It's no mystery, award-winning embroidery is our history.